everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. In the last video we took aloe vera powder and made this, and today we are going to use all these products in my hair. So this is my hair. I actually pre-pulled with almond oil while going live, so you can watch it there. So now I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water. If you're someone that you wash your hair in the shower, you can of course do this in the shower, but I don't. So I'm taking my aloe shampoo and this is what it looks like, and I'm applying it first to my scalp. And this shampoo, you can also apply it to your hair length. So I'm a big believer in taking shampoo and putting it both on your scalp and also on your hair, because you know what, we have to get our hair cleansed, and this is one way I retain moisture. So I also use my shampoo brush to thoroughly cleanse my scalp. If you want your hair to grow healthy, you have to clean your scalp and you have to clean it thoroughly, and I know using this shampoo brush really helps me a lot. So after that, I'm doing a quick length check because people always ask me how long my hair is and I never do a length check. So this year I think I'm going to be doing one every wash day. So I twist up that area so that I can start working on the rest of my hair. One thing I'll tell you is this: everything that I'm showing you in this video can also be found on our Amazon shop, and you can see the link right over there or in the description area. So I'm concentrating it also on my edges because I need to clean my edges. I always pay special attention to my edges to clean it, to keep that scalp edges really well thoroughly cleansed. And so after doing all that, this is what my hair looks like. I just put it into 4 simple twists and we're ready to rinse it out. So after rinsing out my hair, this is what my hair looks like. Yep, tons of shrinkage, but I love it. Okay, there's a lot of bounce, nice elasticity. It looks good. So the next thing is to deep condition my hair, and I'm using my aloe deep conditioner. All these recipes can be found on the previous video that came out, but this is my fenugreek aloe vera deep conditioner. So all I'm doing is just applying it to the length of my hair. And when I apply deep conditioners, I'm very intentional. I make sure I get each and every strand of it, and then I also make sure I take some and put it towards the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to twist my hair up again. When I twist my hair up, if there are any strands that didn't get the deep conditioner, that's when I do get those strands to get the deep conditioner. And look how beautiful this deep conditioner just penetrates into my hair. I also put it on my scalp. This is something I don't do with all deep conditioners, but this one helps with hair growth retention. So I put it on my edges, put it on my scalp and massage it in there, and then I cover my hair with a plastic cap and I wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is what my hair looks like. You see, everything has been penetrated into my hair strands and my hair feels so soft. It's amazing. And I go ahead and I rinse off my hair, and my curls are clumping. They're popping. My hair absolutely loves this. So after this, the next stage is to spritz my hair. So I'm spritzing my hair with my aloe hairspray. This I also use as my leave-in conditioner. You can use this hairspray during the week when you're moisturizing your hair and just seal it in with some moisturizer or a butter, hair butter. So when I put it through the length of my hair, I'm going to also make sure I walk my hands through it, and then I'm going to seal my scalp and also my hair with aloe hair oil. So this aloe hair oil is packed full of ingredients such as peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and even castor oil. So it does help with hair growth, and I'm gonna put it throughout my hair and also make sure I get it on my edges. I'm always particular about my edges because I have thin edges, and I've been able to grow them using biotin and also using my hair oil. So the last thing I do is I also massage. I massage for about 5 minutes, but I'm not gonna keep you guys watching me massage my scalp for 5 minutes. So after doing that, it is time for me to style my hair, moisturize my hair. Now I'm doing a very simple style. I'm going to put my hair into twist. So I'm going to be using my aloe moisturizer. This moisturizer is infused, of course, with aloe vera powder, not butter, and also infused with shea powder. So I'm just applying it to my hair. See how dark and shiny my hair is. My hair just feels, oh my goodness, I wish you guys could feel my hair. It feels so soft and the moisture is retained for a long time. You all have to try this recipe. If you've not, you need to give it a try. So what I'm doing now is twisting up my hair. During the week, if I do have to restyle my hair, I just moisturize it and restyle it. So I keep on twisting my hair. Now, I also have to tell you one thing about all these mixtures. If you're gonna take aloe powder and add it into pre-existing content products, please make sure those products do not contain aloe vera. So yeah, one last length check for you guys for that side, and yeah. So this is my hair. You see some brown stuff, that is the shea. I'm okay with shea in my hair. So the last thing I do is I gather up my hair. This helps prevent single strand knots. It prevents my hair getting dry too quickly because there is strength in numbers. So yeah, so that is all I do. If you like this video, I want to say a big thank you to you for staying this long and watching it. And I also want to say go and watch videos coming up next. Thanks for watching. Bye.